Yeah, welcome to another short video on Performance Navigator. In this video, we're going to discuss how you would send data to an analyst to do either capacity planning or sometimes we want to look at your data to help us with any kind of customer support questions you might have. Of course, as you might realize from other videos, the purpose of Performance Navigator is to keep a historical data. And of course, that the raw data itself is it can very large. So we've created this process we call SOS, which stands for Second Opinion Service, which is a easy way to send us data for analysis for, like I mentioned, capacity planning or potentially customer support. Once you've connected the client, as you can see here, you can just kind of come over to File in SOS, and you'll see the Second Opinion screen appear, and you'll notice that you can see all of the systems that you have a key code that's entered or not, because it does not require a key to send an SOS. So for example, if you're doing capacity planning, obviously there's no key necessary, so you can actually send this data. There are some options by default. Normally, we're not going to ask you to check these two boxes. That's usually for more of a problem determination type service, but just take the standard defaults. And once you've selected your systems, if you have more than one, you can do control click or shift click to highlight multiple systems. And then you're going to just click save to disk. And you can start to see that we're issuing SQLs and to our MPG lab, which is where all the historical data resides. And as you can see, it doesn't take very long. And in a second, you'll see that we're going to create a file called SOS underscore in the serial number .gpd, like graph data is what that stands for. And once it's done, we actually then you can see the little compressed box here that's checked. We actually will GZ it, so it makes it real easy to send to us. Now, as you can see, this file here, you can see right there is the file we created. And by default, it's in a subdirectory under mid-range performance group, Performance Navigator 19, SOS data. You can run this as many times as you like, because if you run it tomorrow, we're just going to go overwrite the file. And then you can see we actually zipped it afterwards. If you'd like to just view the directory, it's pretty easy. Just click this button, and you can actually just right click if you want to copy this and just send us an email. So this is a file you would send us to do, as I mentioned, either most likely be a capacity planning type function, and the analyst would then analyze this and get back to you. It's that easy. And again, if you got any questions, obviously you can always contact customer support. Thanks.